Hello and welcome to how to grow chives in a pot. The first step is to buy some seeds. They're available at most garden stores. On the reverse of the packet you'll find the planting times for your region. The second step is to plant the seeds in a pot. Cover the drain holes with small stones. This prevents the compost washing away when you water it. Now fill the pot with compost. Lightly press the compost down to remove any air pockets. Now water the compost. We're doing it now because it would wash away the seeds if we did it later. Next, take the seeds from the packet. Thinly sprinkle the seeds on top of the compost. Add a thin layer of compost on top and then label. Step 3. Cover with a thin layer of plastic film and keep warm. The plastic film helps to retain the moisture. Step 4. After about a week, the seeds will begin to germinate. Step 5. Keep warm and watered and the plants will begin to grow. Step 6. When the plants are about 6 inches high and reasonably thick, you can begin to cut them and eat them. Try to leave about an inch of the plant remaining to promote further growth. Step 8. Keep warm and watered, and again the stems will begin to regrow and you'll have another crop. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.